Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm real excited. I have, in just these two boxes by itself, a shimmer wall. And this video is actually sponsored by Mocsicka. They sent me this, they wanted me to do a review on it, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest review on it. As you can see, the top of this box is already open. So I did take a peek in, but as far as putting everything together, seeing how it looked as a whole, that has not been done. So you guys will have a chance to see me do this real time. And I'll fast forward through some parts that are really not important. So what I have in these two boxes is 12, I believe it's 12 total, 12 by 12s. So roughly we'll have a 4 by 6 foot wall, which will at least be going 4 foot across and 6 foot in the length. I already have my piping drape, everything set up, and I have it on the low setting. It's not gonna quite touch the floor, and I actually add some drapes to the side so you guys can see how simple you can make this, and you know, you don't have to do a lot with it. I see people do balloon garlands with it. I see people hang happy birthday signs, let's party signs, baby shower signs. So I just want to show you guys from a realistic standpoint on how simple this wall can be. So let's open this. I'm gonna put one of them down and we're gonna open up one of our boxes, and I'll let you guys see what it is. And just in these two boxes, you guys will have the opportunity to see how much of a statement this wall will actually make. And I'm just going off of what I've seen online as far as the pictures are concerned. So again, what you'll get is these 12 by 12 blocks, 12 by 12 blocks that will come in packs of 3, and that will give you just one. This is actually just one order here. So I have 2 orders that I'm gonna put together, and I'm gonna get in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this does have the connectors, and the pieces actually hang naturally, so you don't have to worry about determining whether or not they are turned the right way. So we're gonna connect these, y'all, put them together. I'll hang some drapes and show you guys how this turns out. Overall, just by the packaging, just by what I've gotten so far, I think this would be a really easy, beginner-friendly, first-time shimmer wall for those of you who are just getting into events, and for those of you who are aspiring to get into events later down the road. I think this will be real easy. It's very light. You don't need anybody that's big and strong and stocky to help lift this up. You just need the manpower to put it together, hang it up. Now the box does already come with the zip ties, and it does come with extra shimmer pieces just in case they're damaged or misplaced. So we're gonna put this together. We're gonna use our zip ties to hang it on the piping drape. We'll add some drapes to it, and I'll let you guys see the finished product. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload videos. We're gonna go ahead and put this together, see how it turns out. Y'all stay tuned. So I want to show you all really what I'm doing. The only thing I'm doing is taking these clips here and just clipping them down, and we're going all the way down, and then you'll see at the very bottom, they have the same clips they can clip into another piece. So this wall that we're making is actually gonna be a 4 by 6 wall, but remember, the more you order, the bigger your wall can be. So, yep, keep that in mind. So as y'all can see, that was really, like, I can't even explain how simple that was to set up. And compared to what I've seen in other videos where you have to actually zip tie each one of these blocks together, it's very convenient that they just click together. And the same way you put them together is the same way you take them apart. Don't take up a whole lot of room when you're traveling, bringing all your inventory, trying to set up. This is a 4x6. My height is actually I'm actually 6'2". So your average person, as far as height, I think that this is a perfect height. For me, based on what you guys have seen with my other videos, I normally take it up to an 8-foot height and I drape the room. And to make everything flow, I would bring this up by, I would say 8 feet. I would bring it up to 8 feet. So I would probably need 2 more boxes to do that. Make it at least an 8-foot height and give it 2 more on the side. This is just really what I'm going to show you as far as setup, because I want to keep it simple in this video. That way, if you're not a balloon person, it's obtainable. If you don't have the neon sign to hang, it's obtainable. You guys can see how pretty the shimmer is on this. It's really nice. And like I said, person of average height, this right here will be perfect. If you want to, you can just keep it at the same height as 6 feet. Bring the bottom down some. Go out on your right and your left, and you'll get that height and that width that you want and you need. So I do appreciate, like I said, Mocsicka for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for reaching out. I am grateful. I thank you for this opportunity. And for everybody else that does like this shimmer wall, I think it's a great investment. And I've actually put my link down below, my affiliate link that you guys can click that will take you straight to Mocsicka's website. If it doesn't take you right to the shimmer wall, you can just search shimmer wall in their search box and go to the shimmer wall that they have. And only one order is 1 box of 12 by 12. So if you need something bigger, you're gonna have to do the math to get the size and the width and the length and the height that you need. So click that affiliate link that's in the description box. It should take you there. To get 15% off, you can use my special code, which is EOE Designs. That's short for my business name, Epitome of Excellence Designs in the Core. So I'm gonna put it on the screen. EOE Designs. Use that code, get 15% off. I think it's a steal, you all. If you need to just order one at a time until you get what you need, I'm gonna go ahead and place me an order for some more, because I want to use this in some future events. Make it bigger, wider, grand. It doesn't weigh much. This is what it looks like when you add some drapes to it. And again, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, if you like the content that you see, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Click the notification bell so you know every time I upload videos like this. Thank you again, and y'all have a good day.